What's up, guys? It's the next one again. Well, this morning we're gonna be heading out to actually going over the hill. We will say over the hill, but it's over in Bel Air, and we're going to go and pick up a customer car. It's a Mini Cooper, and he wants the full work. So guys, I know it's been a while that we haven't put up any projects actually, but this one is one you're going to enjoy. And so guys, sit back, relax, and I'll see you guys in a few when we pick it up. So yeah, we got to the location, which I did not film because yeah, you know how it is, keep people privacy on the lock. So I'm here, I'm gonna show you guys let me pick it up, and voila, here you have it. Starts. So here we go. Okay, just to let you know, I got it started one time, so head into the shop with it now. Right, sir, it's washed. Most likely we're gonna need to get some chemical. No leak, no nothing. So you know you're gonna leak from the side because of the windows. But body wise, just to take off the clear, rims gotta come off and do over. Of course, the side trims. That's about it, man. But she has been washed, wiped down proper, and voila.